Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an SD card in your laptop. First, find the SD card slot, usually on the side of your laptop. It's a small, rectangular opening. Make sure the card is facing the right way, with the metal contacts going in first. Gently push the card into the slot until you hear a soft click, indicating it's securely seated. This physical connection is the first crucial step. Once inserted, your laptop should recognize the SD card automatically. Open your File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac to confirm it appears as a new drive. If it doesn't show up, a quick restart might help. For new cards, or if you encounter errors, you might need to format it. This process prepares the card for use, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with your system. To format, right-click the SD card in File Explorer and select Format. For Mac, use Disk Utility. Choose a file system like exFAT for maximum compatibility across different devices and operating systems. You can opt for a quick format, which takes only a few seconds, or a full format, which takes several minutes but thoroughly erases all data. Always back up important files before formatting. Now your SD card is ready for use. You can drag and drop files directly onto it, just like any other drive. It's perfect for expanding your laptop storage, backing up important documents, or transferring photos from your camera. When you're finished, always remember to safely eject the card through your operating system. This prevents data corruption and ensures the card remains healthy for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.